one glass slightly chipped. Little vase of daisies leaning sideways, like they almost slipped.
You laugh about the crooked silverware, say it suits this place.
I reach across the candle glow just to touch your face. Outside, the hills are folding into blue. Inside, the room gets small till it's just me and you. Candlelight in the country cafe, flickering on your eyes. Every little shadow that your lashes make takes me by surprise. You sing my name in that low, sweet way, softer than what the night wind plays. Candlelight in the country cafe, and I'm lost in you.
Thank you for watching.